Hello. The professional development that I'm creating is on the resource and education Web 2.0 tool Educanon, and going to tell and inform teachers how this resource is multidisciplinary along all grade levels K through 12 and can be used in multiple subject matters. So first, what we would have, teachers come in. If they have an account already, they're going to log in. If they do not, they're going to sign up. They can browse through the source, and then they can also see about the Educanon blog. You go back, you can browse, see the benefits of how the library is used, different videos. So we will go to sign up or log in. Since I already have an account, I'm going to log in. And you can log in through Edmodo or Google. Since I have a Google account, I went through Google. And the teachers can go through and figure out what they're going to do here. You can learn about designing a video. And the great thing about Educanon is with the videos, you can add questions as students are watching to make sure that they're paying attention, and also that they understand the content that's being taught. Many times when a video is going on, if a student is not interested or their attention is being somewhere else, they may get lost and not listen to what's being said throughout a video, especially if the video is very long. So Educanon allows you to design and edit these videos to add different questions, whether it be text, multiple choice, and we'll get into that more as we go through the site. You can design a bulb, which is the videos, learn about different question types. You can add classrooms, so you can add classrooms for each class you teach. If you have 6 classes, you can add 6, and then it lets you add those videos to those specific classes. So me, who I have multiple subjects that I teach, I could have health classrooms where the videos are loaded to the health, and then my phys ed classes will also have different videos that are loaded so that they're subject appropriate. And then they're going to search through, learn about design, edit, and sharing these videos. And here are some examples. You can find other pre-made lessons that have already been on Educanon, and you can make a copy and allow it to meet your students if you need to make changes to these lessons. Another great resource that Educanon has is that you can monitor the classroom, whether it be through Blackboard, Moodle, Schoology, Google, Edmodo, and you can find how your students are doing, what questions they do well on, so you can review your student performance here. Whether it be a grade book, you can print the worksheets, and if a question was incorrect, you know you need to go back and see how many students got that question wrong, how many got that right, and is it at the right developmental level. So here we're going to design a bulb, and what it's going to ask you to do is you have all these resources, whether it be YouTube, TeacherTube, Khan Academy, and another one be LearnZillion. You can find videos from here. You're going to paste the URL, enter the title of your lesson, and enter your learning objective. Also, throughout this professional development, we're going to learn about a flipped classroom and what a flipped classroom is, and how schools usually have a design of where the students learn in class and then they're assigned homework to practice the work that they were just taught. With a flipped classroom, it's going to be different. At home, the students are going to review videos and content and learn at home, so then when they get to the classroom the next day, they're going to work on assessments and assignments that the teacher can monitor to make sure they have an understanding of what was taught the night before. So Educanon would be great for giving a video about content that students are going to learn, answer some questions to make sure they were paying attention and they understand, and the teachers can then assess and get a diagnostic of what they need to cover or what students already know. And then the next day, they're going to be able to review and go over exactly what they learned at home. So what I'm going to do is put a URL that I already loaded from YouTube about a flipped classroom. And enter the title, Flip Classroom. And then here, which is great, you talk about your learning objectives. You can click what learning objectives you have, select your grade level, if it's 3 to 5, 6 through 9, or other. The topic you have, other, social studies, science, English, and then your subtopic. So let's use an example, it'd be 9 to 12. We'll use other for health and phys ed, and then having life skills. Then what you're going to do is load this up, and your video will pop up on this side here. Then, if the video is too long or if there's something you want to take out, you can crop the video, add questions, and also, once you're done, you hit finish and build your bulb. Another part of the website is assigning. You can assign when certain due dates are for videos, depending on your class. So you can add it up to another class. Different bulbs that have been created. Monitor student, you can export your grades. You upload new students to class or add a classroom. And also on the website here, it talks about the basic packages they have. It's free. You get unlimited lessons, monitor students, up to 8 classes, share with your colleagues. If you go with the premium, which is more expensive, you can copy and edit lessons, print your worksheets, download the grades, and then the blended school, you get more of an administrative view and get some training. Thank you for watching, and I hope this professional development will be successful for you, that you can implement this in a classroom style into your classroom.